Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash and I am super excited that it is December 1st and it's my first video for my 25 Days of Christmas series. Here's how this is going to work. From now until Christmas Day, I'm going to be uploading every day at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Not every video I do is going to be directly about Christmas. I have a few videos sprinkled in that are just about makeup, not really about the Christmas season. But I'm going to do a ton of Christmas and holiday inspired makeup looks. I'm going to talk about some books. I'm going to try to do a baking video maybe. I'll be honest, I love the idea of Vlogmas. I love that people do that, but that's not me. That's not my life. It's not something that I am capable of. I don't have a life. But I thought it'd be fun to kick off my 25 Days of Christmas by doing a filters choose my makeup because these are so fun to do. So I'm going to set up my TikTok, grab some makeup, and let's get started, and hopefully it matches my outfit because honestly my husband picked out my sweater today. So hopefully they don't give me the blue shadow, but I'll make it work. So let me pull up my screen record and let's pick out the first filter. Okay, so the first filter is going to be the eyeshadow filter. Okay, so I got red, black, white on the inside, red on the lower lash line. I can work with that. I can work with that. I'm going to use two palettes. I'm going to use the Christmas Town palette from Melt for the top two shades. And then I'm going to use the Blend Bunny Blends palette for the black shade. First things first, priming with my Anastasia primer. I have my base done already because I did a different makeup look earlier and I just took off my eye makeup. I'm gonna start with the white and I'm gonna go into No One's Dead. Absolutely love the shade. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Now it's not like a stark white. It actually pulls a little bit blue, but I think with all the tones together it'll work out. If anything, I can always pull in the Blend Bunny palette that on the inner corner. Oh, it's so weird because like in my viewfinder it looks more white. In my mirror here it looks blue. It's trippy. I'll move on to the red. This is Sandy Claus. Beautiful red shade. And I'm going to focus this right in the crease and all over the lid. See what I mean? That's a gorgeous, it's just a gorgeous red shade. I am obsessed with this palette. I did a 2 looks 2 palettes video earlier in the week. I'm gonna grab another brush to kind of pack that color on my lid. This look would actually work very well if you have like a cream red base. Probably make it last longer too. And since I have this brush, I'm just going to run this on my lower lash line because that was also red. I'm gonna connect this and then I will deepen it with the black. I think this one is supposed to be more like a Santa suit look, or Santa suit eyeshadow. I think the liner should pull it like pretty well together, but so far I love this. Alright, and then this is a Blend Bunny B4 brush. I'm going to go into, like I said, Nevermore down here. And I use that to deepen the outer edge. I don't want too much at once, just a little bit. I don't want any like fallout either, so I'm just gonna stamp where I want that shade and then I'll go in and blend it. So it got a little patchy, but I'm sure the liner will fix that right up. I am gonna put red in my waterline, but I'm gonna do that at the end. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the next filter, which is eyeliner. Ooh, I love a good eyeliner. Ooh, okay, so it's a white liner, white inner corner, and then striped red and green. Love that. Alright, I think for this I can get away with using the Elli Beauty and Anna's Artistry. The green in here might be a little bit too dark, so I did grab the You Are Seen little water activated cake, so I will see what's what. So this is mainly just the primary colors. You know, this green actually might get lighter when it's over the white. To do this, I have the 9mm side of the Elli Beauty and Anna's Artistry liner, and then I just have a random little Morphe pencil, which might be too thick for what I need, but I'm hoping I can make it work. So I'm going to put the white base down first, and I just have some mixing drops from Elli Beauty. Now, the liner is not the easiest thing to do on camera. I will try. So I'm going to start. It kind of looks in the video like it's supposed to be like a cut crease. I'm going to keep this at the line. I think that's going to work the best. I'm going to start by lightly following my lash line. And I'll gradually start thickening this up. The line needs to be thick enough to where you can see the candy cane stripes. Honestly, this liner isn't working that well for me today. What the heck? It's strange because I usually don't have an issue with this liner. So I'm switched over now to an Anastasia brush. This is the, I think, A12. Great brush for liner. It's meant for the brows, but it's great for liner. Oh yeah, that's much better. Let me try to do the other eye. Hopefully I can get something better. And this eye is watering, because why would it not? There's also like a little inner corner moment with this, so I'm gonna attempt to do that now. Honestly, I almost want to set this, and I think I'm going to, with the white and the Blend Bunny palettes. Could this be a mistake? Probably. But what's life without a bunch of just mistakes? Okay, that honestly is working. Shout out to me for figuring it out. The red stripes look bigger than the green, so I'm gonna start with the red. Okay, I'm gonna have to find something smaller for the green, but this is working. Definitely not easy to talk and do this at the same time, but hopefully you get kind of the gist of what I'm doing. I'm trying to make them match, but like, does it really matter if they match? No. This green might work. I'm going back in with that original first brush I used, and I'm gonna do, oh yeah, the tiniest green. Basically, you do this and you just don't breathe. I honestly think that might be as good as it's gonna get. This next part is the fun because it's like the across the nose and little design. I'm so excited for that. I got the presents. I'm gonna zoom this out a little bit. So I will continue to be using this, and let's see if I can manage to do this. I am honestly kind of terrible at this, but I'll make it work. Starting with the red, I think I'm gonna go in with this red. I have a red blush, but why do that when I can just be extra? So that is just all across the nose. And honestly, it looks kind of cute. So far though, everything is working out well. So presents, I think it'd be easy to draw the box and then make the ribbon. And I actually think that this is gonna be the perfect color for this. Just gotta get the right consistency. I'll probably put this down and then shade it with shadow because I think that's gonna be the easiest. I kind of want this as even. That's where the present goes. So I'm gonna start by kind of making a box. This is so hard to describe what I'm doing, but basically I'm making a cube the wrong way. Those are totally not even. Oh my god. I'm gonna fill one side. I got squares on my face. Squares on my face. For the shading, I'm going to be using the Blends palette, of course. And Serendipity is going to be an excellent shade for the blending. I'm just going to take a very small brush and pick up a little bit of that. And I'm going to, just so I have a little bit of an edge right along the side, I'm going to take the shadow on top, even though that's not going to look right. Clean off my brush. I'm going to dip into the gray shade in here. It's Intuition. Just a smidge of it. I want to define the edge a little better, like make it stand out like, hey, this is a corner. Leaving the center open at the top because the ribbon's just going to cover it, so I don't need to worry too much about the yellow on that. So I'm going to clean off my brush and dip right into the red and attempt this ribbon. This is honestly much harder than I thought it was going to be, not gonna lie. I think my question is, how the hell am I going to make a bow? I can barely make a bow in real life. I mean, honestly, props to people that can do this and make it not look like crap. So I think it's gonna be line, line, and then loop-de-loop. Definitely that present a little too high, or maybe the red just isn't even and that's why it doesn't look even. Going in with a little bit of the black shadow and tracing the top of the gift box right under the ribbon just to further give it definition because the gray wasn't doing much. There's a red shade in this palette called Self-Love. Gonna kind of just go over that ribbon. Honestly, probably looking pretty terrible. Just gonna roll with it. Why do I do this to myself? And go back into the yellow liner. Maybe clean this up a bit. Up close it looks bad. From far away, not so bad. I don't think I can save it though. Honestly, it's like sometimes why do I even bother trying? I think you get the gist that it's a present. Not a very good present though. Alright, and the last thing to do besides finishing off the eyes is the lips. So something simple, please. I need simple in my life. Candy cane lips. White with red stripes. This honestly would have been so much better if it was more red than white, but hopefully this works. I have the Creature Cosmetics Skeleton and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills American Doll. I mean, I guess it could be worse. Yeah, I think that this would look better set with some white, so I'm just going to take a brush and Cream and Sugar from Blend Bunny. Oh, no, I was wrong with that. Oh no. What is happening? I hate how this looks. Oh my god. Don't know how I want to play out doing the lines. Probably use a brush. This is a beautiful shade on its own. Why can't I have just gotten the red? There is a red option. So it looks like there are 2 lines on either side of the Cupid's bow, one down the middle. The line in the middle probably wasn't good. This is what I got. I am going to finish off my eyes. I'm gonna put a red in my waterline, and I'm gonna pick a small lash just so everything's shown. And I might try to touch this up a bit, but I need to hop off camera to try to fix this mess. But this is what I got so far. I'll be right back with the completed look. Alright, this is the finished look. I'll be honest, I hate the lips. I do. They're so dry. The presents, like I said, they look better far away, up close. Not very good up close, but I feel festive. I feel cute. I have my wreath earrings. I love these earrings. They're a little heavy, but I love them. My plaid headband and the Grinch sweater. Like, I feel cute, but I feel ugly. I'm like a cute, ugly sweater. But I will have all the makeup products listed down below if you're interested to know exactly which products I used. This video was fun to do. It took me forever to do it. I think I've been filming for the last 2 hours because things are just complicated. Drawing on your face is not easy. Honestly, the people that can do it, props to you because you are way more talented than me. Like I said, this is the first video of my 25 Days of Christmas series. I'm so excited for this month. I love Christmas time. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. Don't forget, over on my TikTok, I am doing a giveaway. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye. I think that my Christmas has done.